Going on the water slides, the water slides, the water slides. I'm going on the water slides, the water slides.
Maybe.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor.
So it's time for the muster drill. But we left our CPAS cards in the room, so now we're trying to get to the room. So for the afternoon, basically we just hung out. Ariel did the water slides and swam in the pool, and I just hung out. I didn't really get in the water yet. It's very hot. I say that in every video, but it is. Did you have fun at the pool?
Yes. The water slides were very water slidey.
They were very water slidey. You heard it first here. Subscribe. Ariel's putting her clothes back on, changing out of her bathing suit, and I'm laying on the comfy couch. Man, I wish that we could all just have the muster drill like on this screen while we just lay in the room, in the comfort of the room, and just watch it on the screen. But then I guess they can't account that people are actually going to pay attention, because I guess I would fall asleep. So I guess it's not a good idea, but it would be nice. It's hot. It's so hot. And it's hot on the ship because we haven't really started moving, so they're not really running the air conditioning full blast. And every time the door opens, it basically just lets all the hot air into the walkways. So it's just hot. Look how pretty it is. Ariel says she likes the comfy couch, but I basically claim the comfy couch.
I got the water out of my ear, yay. Yay.
All right. We gotta go.
I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention.
We're trying to find ice cream.
So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
So I can see Ariel come out of the slide, because I have to go first. You can't do it first. Get your mat. Did you like it?
Yes.
Was it?
Felt short, but we were going so fast.
You were? Ariel wants to ride the carousel. So we're riding the carousel.
Nice and fancy. You're gonna go up.
Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure time.
I think we're coming to a stop. Look at my hair. All right, so we're headed back to the room so we can get ready for dinner, because as you can see, we need help. We did the Abyss.
Yes.
We
Well,
rode
I
the
did
merry-go-round. We had a muster drill. Ariel swam. We had pizza, sandwiches, ice cream. It's been a long day, and we flew all night, so I haven't slept in I don't even know how many hours. So I'm gonna take a nap, we're gonna get dressed, and we're gonna see you guys as we're headed for dinner. So we're moving, and we're looking out of our virtual screen, and Ariel is hoping for a dolphin.
Or a sea turtle, or anything.
Or anything. I don't know if you can see a sea turtle, even if there was a sea turtle, but she said she's gonna stare really hard at it. So we are headed to dinner, finally. You can see me, I have on a dress. Ariel finally woke up. She decided that she was gonna take a nap, and then after she took that nap, she went ahead and took another nap. So Ariel took 2 naps, and now she's dressed. Say hi.
Hi.
I never feel the need to go to the gym when I'm on these ships because all we do is walk up and down stairs.
Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the
Okay. Here we go. And we're off.
We're off to eat.
people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes through and stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying,
Hello! She is very beautiful.
It's in slow-mo.
In slow-mo.
I've been so...
Dinner was terrible. I didn't like it at all. The dessert was even bad.
I don't see the logic of things. It's
It's the same one from the other one. It's the same picture. Here.
And now I get to see it up close.
Yep.
Look at the stateroom. Whoa. Okay, I want you to try it.
No.
quite a lonely world that we're
Now stop moving. Oh, it's dark.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we need to wait until tomorrow.
living in. Oh, baby, you are something.
Door. I've never seen that one before. This slide? Where's this one? Our signature rock climbing walls. What's this? Oh, is this the one where I have to be 14? Flow riders. There's so much stuff to do here. This is scary. Sorry. And arcade. What? In a far-flung galaxy in a distant future, 2 forces are set to collide. Aliens and robots. Grab your intergalactic equipment and gear up for an epic battle at Studio B. Brace yourself for a spine-tingling rush as you race across the boardwalk, suspended 9 decks in the air. It's a thrill you won't find on any other cruise line. No reservation required.
Special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
I'm so full on a terrible meal. I basically had spaghetti. All right, we're back in the room. It is currently 10:26. They are doing the welcome party at 10:30 and the balloon drop at 11:59.
Yeah.
11:59. We are going to attempt to make the balloon drop, but I doubt that we make it because I am exhausted. I am so tired. Are you tired, Ariel?
No.
No.
I took 3 naps.
She did sleep for a very, very long time. I don't know what to say about dinner. Let's see. When we first got there, we had to wait in a line, which is expected when you have my time dining. You will have to wait. However, we waited a very, very long time. There were 2 groups of 8 in front of us, and they were having a little bit of a difficult time seating them, so we were there for a while. And then we finally got seated, and that was great. I had salad, and Ariel had, well, I had a Caesar salad, and then I had spaghetti with marinara. They had a polenta on the menu, and I didn't want that, so I asked for either Indian or just a basic spaghetti, and they gave me a basic spaghetti, which was fine. And Ariel, she ate a cheeseburger. She liked her food. She said the burger was good. The spaghetti was okay. It was just okay. There was nothing really, I mean, it's noodles and marinara sauce. There's not really anything to write home about. I'm really wishing that they would improve their vegetarian menus. It really is terrible. And then for dessert, Ariel had a brownie with ice cream, and she didn't really care for the brownie. And I had a warm hazelnut, what was it? Brownie? A warm hazelnut brownie? Something of this sort. And it wasn't good. I didn't like it at all. And I usually like hazelnut, but I did not like it at all. And that was pretty much it for dinner. The other thing that really irritates me, I think I've said it in another video, is that on Royal Caribbean, the Windjammer, which is their buffet, closes at 9. So if you go to dinner and then you don't like your dinner and then you want to go to the Windjammer, if you're not there by 9, you're kind of out of luck for like a full meal. You can still get pizza or get a sandwich or something light, something to snack on. But as far as like a full meal goes, you basically have until 9. And it takes a while to eat at the main dining. It really does take a while. So I don't like that. When we're on Norwegian, they have late dining. So if you go to main dining and you don't like it, you can go to the buffet and they're open late. I think they serve food till like 11 or midnight or something crazy. So I'm just, yeah. Not that I'm complaining, it's just different. So yeah, so now we're just relaxing in the room. We may go to the balloon drop. If we go to the balloon drop, it's going to be inserted right now. And if we don't go to the balloon drop, well, we will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a sea day, and I'm not exactly sure what we'll do. Probably a lot of the same stuff we did today.
There's a daily planner.
Ariel has the daily planner over there, and she is going to plan out our day. So, everyone that is new to our channel, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button. Anyone who has been on our channel a while will know that I edit when I can, which is, I try to get videos out once a week, and that does not always happen. And I am very behind on my videos. So please subscribe. There are tons more videos coming out. We love to have new people watching the videos. If you have any questions about our travels, cruise lines, cruises, which one is better, what we like from each, go ahead and leave that in the comments below, and I will be sure to answer. If you have anything specifically for Ariel, if there's any kids that want to ask Ariel any questions, please leave that in the comments below, and I will let her answer also. Other than that, see you tomorrow. Bye.
How much we love you here. Not forever, but
I could never let you go.
All right, I hope this is recording. My camera is doing something weird where, yeah, it's like flickering on and off in the image. I don't know, it's being really, really strange. There's a line. We are in the line.
Not the dreaded line.
Oh, give me a few minutes. Everything is occupied.
When going up, please remember to imagine, invent, and wish. Also, remember to inspire,
Dream,
and
believe, inhale, and
breathe.
I don't know what that says. I was looking for my phone. Who's running? She's got too much sugar in her. Look at this child. But she says she doesn't have a lot of sugar. She's just running up and down the halls, and it's not exactly.
Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so sure you believe.